Welcome to the Makeup Palette Series Volume 2. Volume 1 is on TikTok, so make sure you go check that out. But today we are doing the AM to PM Plouise No Risk, No Magic palette. So this palette has 50 shades in it. Holy cow. My Makeup Palette Series Volume 1, amazing. Okay, it's gonna have a ridiculous look with this. Makeup Palette Series Volume 2 is going to be green. I let my husband choose the color. I said pick a color of the rainbow because we have the entire rainbow here. He picked green, so I'm gonna use these two rows right here. I'm definitely gonna have to wash all of my makeup brushes after today. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the P. Louise base in 0.5. I kind of want to set my eyes. I'm going to use the color Don't Be Late. And this is like the palest green that you can like literally get. And I'm going to take Keep On Shining. I think I want to do like a 2016 cut crease. I didn't know there was a difference between 2016 and like a now cut crease, I guess. I started going live on TikTok. It's been fun, but I'm just so awkward live, like ridiculously awkward. That is such a pretty color. I don't even know if I want to put darker on. Okay, I'm gonna take On the Glow. I'm just going to deepen this outer corner. These are so pigmented, I'm like scared to get a lot on my brush, but they also blend like literal butter. She was too stunned to speak. Okay, now I'm going to carve it out. Let that dry. And then use the P. Louise base one more time, except for I'm going to put it on my hand this time. It's just annoying to wash brushes, you know what I mean? Like, if somebody can wash them for me, that'd be great. I so love that my husband watches these videos. Reason to watch them, except for supporting me, and I absolutely love that. If your man ain't supporting you, leave his ass, okay? Leave his ass. He's literally supported me the entire time. Like every single time I was like, I want to start my YouTube or want to get into filming my YouTube and stuff. Every single time he was like, okay, what do you need? Like, do you need anything? He's special. So here's like the 3 green ones. I feel like this one's more yellow. This one's like bright green. This one's more of the same color green. So I don't know which one to choose. Let's go for the middle one and then we might figure out when to put in this, like on the inner corner. Time will tell the one we're going to use. The reason that, ooh, she's sparkling. Like it goes up so high is because I have hooded eyes, and I know I've said this in so many of my videos, but if you have hooded eyes, like you know, like as soon as I open my eye, where did all this eyeshadow go? Okay, I think that's way too dark. So I'm gonna take the Ticking Along shade. I don't know if this is gonna help it or not. And then I'm gonna go back in with my darkest shade, which is On the Glow. I feel like I always do these kind of eyes backwards because I'm really bad at judging how dark I need outside to be, but it always ends up coming together in the end. That's all we can ask for, right? On Shining to blend it out. Obsessed. Okay, let's do the bottom lash line like while I'm here with you guys. Taking On the Glow. And then taking On Shining and Don't Be Late. Oh my gosh, I'm like in love with this. Okay, I'm gonna take a really tiny brush and take Countdown and lay it right here in the inner corner and then take it up just a little bit. Now this color is like more of a clear with a greeny blue reflect. Look how it changed that just because it's like iridescent. I'm gonna do some black eyeliner just to give it a little oomph, you know what I mean? And then I will do the other eye off camera as well. Come back, do lashes and lips and highlighter with you guys. Okay, so here is the eyes finished. Absolutely love. I'm going to throw on the XL Wispy Full Foaming Lashes from Ioni, which is the Valhalla in a quarter tree now. Okay, so I'm gonna use the e.l.f. The Movie and Revolution highlighter in North Pole. Look at that glow. Okay, This highlighter is like the perfect between champagne gold and like a rose gold. I'm gonna use the lip pencil in, I think this is Brick House. Yeah, in Brick House from NYX. Now I'm gonna take the one size, and this is in Lip Snatcher. It is the one size red. It's beautiful. I'm gonna take the cream side. Stunning. It also smells really good too. I really like this applicator. I can get like a very precise line. I'm gonna let that dry for just a second, and then we're gonna use the gloss. Okay, so it's dry now. Okay, first impressions. It's not drying on the lips, but it is definitely like a matte finish, so you get kind of that like, not heaviness, but feeling. That's pretty. I like that enough comes off the brush, but not like a ridiculous amount, you know what I mean? Okay, so this is the finished look using the P. Louise AM to PM No Risk All Magic palette. I absolutely love it. Even if you're wearing a sweatshirt just like I am, it's gonna look good, okay? The lip, the red lip, perfection. It's very comfortable also, so that's a huge plus. The palette, so pigmented, absolutely love it, gorgeous, love P. Louise stuff. If you're feeling spicy, I guess you could do an all green look and do a green lip as well, but that's not me. I could not be more excited about my makeup today. So I will see you guys next time on the Makeup Palette Series Volume 2.